Hi, I'm Johnny. I'm a homeschooling mom, and I'm kind of excited about all the books that just came in for my boys' upcoming school year, and I thought I'd share. So, let's share. Okay, the first one is this 77 Bible activities for kids. I got this originally just for him to have something to do while I was reading the Bible to him, but then I just got it and I was looking inside, and it is so cute and cool. And look at this. He gets to color the books of the Bible as we read through it. And look at this. The God made me special thing. How perfect is that for the first day of school to do anyway? That is so cool. He fills out all the things he likes and all the things that make him special. And then all these different activities are so cool and very educational. Not just biblically, but just like, there's some really good activities in here. Like, well, I mean, like, this is more regular coloring book kind of, but biblical. But there's also some, I'm looking for one to show you because now that I'm flipping, of course I'm not coming across them, but these are really nice. I might have to actually have him do these after the Bible lessons because he will actually have to think about it a good bit. I was thinking like coloring or mazes he could do to help him not fidget during Bible time, but that is really cool. Okay, the next ones are his independent readers for the upcoming school year. We are doing a 4th grade curriculum with a lot of dense readers that I will be reading aloud, so I didn't get very dense independent readers. I got ones that will be challenging for him, but he will enjoy. So this is The Dinosaur Hunter. It's based on a true story, and fossil collectors in the 1880s, Wyoming, Ned Chapman dreams of finding a dinosaur skeleton. When he discovers some old bones in his father's ranch, Ned is thrust into the world of bone hunters, men who are so competitive they will do anything to bring in the best fossils. I think that looks pretty neat. It's not the most complicated book ever, but it definitely will challenge him with the words in it. This is the Wright Brothers biography. I don't think I have to tell you the synopsis for this because it's a biography about the Wright Brothers. My son absolutely loves inventions, and he loves inventors and scientists, so I think he will love this, especially since we are from Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, so a little bit the history I grew up with a lot for him to get. But another one is Martin Luther King Jr.'s biography. He will not read these all at once, of course. We're going to spread it out throughout the year. We're doing a lot of Revolutionary War time and history this year, so a lot of the books I got go with that just for his independent readers. This is Benjamin Franklin. The biographies I did have earlier in the year when I showed some of the stuff about the upcoming curriculum, but most of these I got this week. I just included these because they were in the pile of books for, upcoming. I'm excited about it. Benjamin Franklin's biography. Okay. This is another one of the new ones. This is Alexander Hamilton, American hero. It's also a biography. It's just a much simpler one that I know he will be able to read on his own. I'm not sure about those other 3 biographies, whether he'll be able to handle them on his own or if I'm going to have to help him. But this one, Alexander Hamilton, I know he can. This one, I know he'll be able to do. And again, it goes with our history that we're going to be studying this year. Francis Scott Key, Star Spangled Banner. That's the man that wrote the Star Spangled Banner, our national anthem. And it's a little bit of behind the story of him writing it and why and what the song's about, which is awesome. If you don't know it, you should. Yeah. This is Thomas Jefferson's Feast. This is about Thomas Jefferson bringing a lot of our favorite foods back from his travels around the world. which is kind of cool. I didn't even know about it, but I came across this and I was like, oh, my son is going to love that. And again, it goes with the time period we're going to be studying in history. Houdini. This is just an interest one again. It's a biography. It's an easy reader biography about, Houdini. My son absolutely loves illusionists and escape artists, and he thinks that's so neat. This one, I'm not sure if he can read or not, so it might actually be saved for next year, or I'll read it with him. The Trail of Tears. Again, it fits our family's history to read this, so I would like to read it with him. It's not quite with our history curriculum this year, but it does go with our family history, and I would like him to be aware of those kind of things. Okay. Greek mythology, Greek myths. This is a level 3 reader. It actually looks kind of complicated for a level 3. I am not 100% sure if he'll be able to read it or not, but I know he will try, and he will enjoy it, and he probably be able to do it. He really loves Greek mythology right now. It's like one of his hyper focuses. Our science this year, we always do unit studies, and we're going to revisit outer space. We did last year. We're going to focus more on like the space race and stuff like that. And deep space this year instead of just the planets like we did last year. This is a book about, this is Space Busters, the race to the moon. It's covering the 1960s space race in a way he can handle on his own, and I think that's awesome. Buzz Aldrin, we talked about Neil Armstrong a bit last year. We did not talk about Buzz that much, so I wanted to make sure we covered it this year, and that book he can read himself, and it'll be good. This is actually one that we're going to use with our curriculum, and I showed it earlier this year because I had already gotten it. But what is the Constitution? We're going to have this as our main spine for our civics this year. And it goes along with the history. Like I said, Revolutionary War time is what we're covering this year in our Under the Home history lesson. And the final book that I'm showing is On the Nature Trail. It's a backpack explorer book. This is so cool. We got something similar from the library this past year, and it was so neat. And looking at this, it is amazing. There's lots of outdoor activities. We're gonna pair this up with his nature journal, and it's just beautiful. And there's activities, and it covers bugs and trees and animals, and there's little stickers in there as they find different things. They get little badges if they find different kinds of things on there. And then they have this make your own trail map. We actually live on the mountain here, and he can make his own trail. And having a map for him, make a map of the area would be so cool. They have all these stickers that he can add to make his map a little bit more special, and it's just super neat, like bridges and animals he's seen, and here are the badges and stuff. This is such a cool book. I am so excited. He loves nature journaling, and just having something he can have to help copy the pictures or look up what he's finding is so cool. And it's got a little magnifying glass. Not that I didn't get him a little handheld microscope to carry around on the trail this year. I did. Haha. But yeah, we're so excited about the books. I've already had to put them up so he doesn't tear into them beforehand. He is not the strongest reader ever, so I know those are a little below like 4th grade readers. but they will be challenging for him, and he will enjoy it. And that's my main goal, is getting something he's willing to read that challenges him, but doesn't overwhelm or make him feel like a failure. So I think he can handle those and will do well with them. I'm going to do a curriculum video here soon. If anybody's interested, I hope so. I don't know. But it's fun doing these homeschool videos, and if they help anybody, awesome. I know they help me when I watch other people, so I thought I should make some too. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. Bye.